A brand which deals with manufacturing and stands by everybody and gets stronger. Ozen Compressor. Having made contributions to the activities of many sectors with the products that it has been manufacturing for half a century, Ozen Compressor has made great changes and progresses in this process for itself as well. Ozen Compressor has based its success strategy on its values and has always taken a step forward with its innovative, honest and quality-oriented production understanding. As a result, it is possible to see innovation and improvement, which are the products of Ozen advanced research and development work in each series of machinery that is produced in Ozen Compressor facilities. All of our products are designed for reliable performance, easy maintenance and maximum energy efficiency. Ozen Compressor has been continuously maintaining its research and development work and keeping the technology and design of all products on a modern level in accordance with users' satisfaction, thanks to its innovative and advanced technical solutions aimed at easing the burden on heavy branches of industry. Hundreds of roads and buildings are being constructed, tunnels are being dug, and mine and minerals are being extracted every day in Turkey and throughout the world. Thousands of products are manufactured in hundreds of sectors, ranging from automotive to textile, packaging to chemistry, and furniture to white appliances goods. Thousands of customers trust Ozen Compressor in these varieties of production and process applications. As a result, the customer relations, which start with a warm welcome and continue with satisfaction, turn into commitment. The compressed air production and control requires advanced engineering. Ozen Compressor has been producing compressed air for half a century as the innovative designer and manufacturer of the sector. The technology of Ozen Compressor is capable of producing the best air compressors and air system equipment in the worldwide compressor market. Such technology, which is apparent even in every detail of the manufactured parts, starts with solid and balanced chassis applications, namely the key provision of productivity in compressors. The basic function of Ozen Compressor products is to fulfill compressed air requirements in the most effective and productive way. Furthermore, it always stands by its customers along with its extensive after-sales service and spare part network towards this end. Ozen Compressor, one of the leading compressor producers in Turkey, provides its customers with sales and service support in many countries of the world to a maximum level. Ozen Compressor is also focused on increasing productivity and minimizing costs in its current and future compressor models. Always pursuing trouble-free perfection in order to enrich life, Ozen Compressor has adopted modernization and information technologies as its guide. Ozen Compressor has established a perfect integration of the supply chain thanks to endless research and practices, in order to deliver new systems and technologies. Having been granted ISO 9001-2008 and CE certificates of quality, Ozen Compressor is determined to apply and maintain the quality standards to a maximum level. Ozen Compressor, the shining star of the compressor sector, was founded in a small workshop by Mehmet Ozen in 1970. Ozen Compressor has been producing machinery which is capable of serving under heavy industrial conditions for many years in terms of both variety and quality, and by maintaining its activities of production in its new factory, which covers an area of 20,000 square meters in Konya Organized Industrial Zone since 2012. Ozen Compressor has a wide range of products consisting of low, medium and high pressure screw-type air compressors and reciprocating air compressors between the range of 2.5 bars and 40 bars, dryers and filters, along with its renewed factory and advanced production techniques. At Ozen Compressor, our aim is to combine our products with advanced system solutions and thus offer magnificent customer services. Ozen Compressor, which is manufacturing high-quality equipment as a family tradition, is proudly using its family surname on each product that it manufactures. Now it is time to work carefully. Now it's the time of Ozen Compressor, a global player in compressed air system solutions. Ozen Compressor. Ozen Compressor will always continue to attach priority firstly to customer satisfaction and put principles of quality at the core of its production. Proven technology in compressed air. Ozen Air Forces.